Hey guys, welcome back in the Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add sections to your channel. And sections are like these, and as you guys can see, I have also sections in my channel as well. Uploads, animations, blue edition, edition, and Wix edition, my latest edition. And guys, if you want sections like this, then watch this video until the end. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, adding sections is also a way to gain more subscribers onto your channel, because it makes your channel more attractive when it is neat and tidy. All the videos are separated into sections, so that makes your channel more attractive and subscribe gainable, and also you get more views, and more views means more money and then more watch time. So guys, to get more views and to get more subscribers to your channel, all you have to do is add sections to your channel. And to do that, first go to your channel and then click on customize channel, and then it will load. Then you will be redirected to the YouTube studio, and then from here, as soon as you are redirected to the YouTube studio, you go to the channel customization page, and then from there scroll down a little bit, and as you guys can see, there's a section which is called as feature sections, and it is customize the layout of your channel. As I told you before, home pages with up to 10 sections. Okay guys, so I have already added 1 2 3 4 5 6 sections, so I don't want to add any more sections, but I'll show you guys how to. So to add a section, click on add section, and guys, from here you can choose if it is you can choose what should contain in these sections. So as you guys can see, you can contain popular videos, short videos, live now, past live streams, upcoming live streams, and then the other category is playlist, single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlists, and then channels. You can even add channels in sections, so subscriptions, featured channels. And also guys, to add sections, to make it easy to add sections, first you should create playlist. As you guys can see, I'll go to my channel and then show you what are my playlists. And as you guys can see, these are all my private ones, and then you don't need to look at this. And then as you guys can see, I have different playlists: Wix edition, blue edition, animation, red edition. And as you guys saw in these sections, it's also named as blue edition, red edition, and things like that. So guys, don't worry about this channel trailer, because it always comes when you go to my channel. And guys, in the next video I'll show you guys how to channel trails your channel like this. So in a channel trailer, when you go to your channel, it will automatically play the video that you have selected as the channel trailer. So let's come back to our business. And also guys, from here, from these two lines, you can adjust the sections. Like you can take this Wix edition section to the top or to the bottom like this. You can click on that two lines and drag it to the place where you need to add this Wix edition, and then as you guys saw, it replaces to the place I choose it to be. And then to save them, you need to publish your channel again, and then from here you can weave the changes. I don't need to change them because it looks better in this way, so I'm going to change it to the original place. And yeah, so guys, so I told you guys how to add sections, and creating playlists is an easy way to add more sections to your channel. So yeah, and also guys, to delete sections, what you have to do is go to that certain section and then click on the three options, which are the options. And then as you guys can see, edit section, contents, weave playlist, and remove section. So from here you can remove the section. I won't remove it because I have already added it. And as you guys can see, my channel is, I think it's beautiful for you. So yeah, if you guys want to make your channel even more beautiful than this, hit that like button, comment down below what should be my next video, and guys, please subscribe. I need them.